Good afternoon, all. Myself, Needu, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Vedavyasa Institute of Technology. Today's Tech Talk is about machine learning. Now, machine learning has become probably the most significant technological breakthrough of recent time, and there are so many ways in which machine learning are used to impact our everyday lives. Here I am going to explain what exactly is machine learning and why it matters. In human learning, we are learning from our experiences or whatever we are seeing, we are reading, listening. So from all these, we are collecting a lot of data, and that data we are passing to our brain, and brain is processing, understanding and learning that data and making a decision. So machine learning is also happening the same way. Let's see what is machine learning. For example, there is a feature in Facebook, people you may know feature. That feature always provides you a list of people that you actually know in your real life. So how does Facebook come to know about this, or how are they doing this recommendation? The answer is machine learning. When you ask what is machine learning, you will find a million different answers. So in simpler words, we can say machine learning is a field of computer science which makes the machine capable of learning on its own without being explicitly programmed. The point to be noted here is that machine learning algorithms can learn on its own from past experiences just like humans do. And when exposed to new data, these algorithms learn, change, and grow by themselves without you needing to change the code every single time. So basically, what happens is that instead of you writing the code every single time for a new problem, you simply feed the data to the machine learning algorithm, and the algorithm or the machine builds the logic and provides results based on the given data. Initially, the results obtained might not be of high accuracy, but over time, the accuracy of machine learning algorithms become higher as it continuously performs tasks. So, how do machine learning algorithms work? Machine learning algorithms utilize a variety of techniques to handle large amount of complex data to make decisions. These algorithms complete the task of learning from data with specific inputs given to the machine. It's really important to understand how these algorithm and machine learning system work so that we can get to know how these can be used in future. It all starts with training the machine learning algorithm by using a training data set to create a model. When a new input data given to the machine learning algorithm, it makes a prediction. And this prediction and results are evaluated for accuracy. That means the input is given to a machine learning model, which then give the output according to the algorithm applied. If it is right, we take the output as the final result. And if the prediction is not right, the algorithm is retrained again until the desired output is obtained. This enables the machine learning algorithm to learn on its own and produce an optimal answer that will gradually increase in accuracy over time. So this is the idea. Next, we are going to discuss the steps in machine learning process. There are 7 steps: collecting data, preparing the data, choosing a model, training a model, evaluating the model, parameter tuning, and prediction. The first step of machine learning is data collection. That means gathering the data. This step is very important because the quantity and quality of data you gather will determine how good your predictive model can be. So we have gathered our training data. Now we move on to the next step of machine learning, data preparation, where the data is loaded into a suitable place and prepare it to use in our training. We also need to split the data into 2 parts. The first part, which is the majority of the data set, is used for training our model, and the second part that will be used for evaluating the performance of our trained model. Now, third step is choosing a model. That means selecting the right model. There are various models that researchers and scientists have created over the years for different purposes. Some are very well suited for image data, others for sequences like text or music, some for numerical data, and others for text-based data. Next step is training. So you need to train the data set to see an incremental improvement in prediction rate. In this step, we use the dataset allocated for training to teach our model. And once training is complete, we evaluate the model. That's the fifth step, evaluation. It allows us to test our model against the data that has never been used for training. That means the data that it has not yet seen. It shows the model, how the model might perform in the real world situation. And once evaluation is over, any further improvement in our training can be possible by tuning the parameters. The final step of machine learning process is prediction. Here you can finally use your model to predict the outcome of what you want. So these are the 7 steps of machine learning process. Next, we are going to discuss why machine learning is important, why it matters. There are so many ways in which machine learning are used to impact our everyday lives. Actually, you might be using it in one way or the other and don't even know about it. So to understand the importance of machine learning, let's discuss a few applications of machine learning. First one is product recommendation. When you purchase some products on Amazon, Myntra or Flipkart, you see an ad for the same item, or they show some relevant products after you make a purchase. So how does this happen? Once a user buys something from an e-commerce website, it stores the purchase data for future reference and finds products that are most likely to be bought by the user in the future. This happens because of machine learning. In fact, 35% of Amazon's revenue is generated by product recommendation. The next application is virtual personal assistant. As the name suggests, virtual personal assistant assists in finding useful information when asked over voice or text. You might have heard about Siri and Alexa. They are the popular examples of virtual personal assistants. Suppose you asked a simple question like, what is my schedule for tomorrow? For answering this query, this personal assistant searches for information or recalls your related queries to collect information. So machine learning is an important part of these personal assistants as they collect and refine the information based on the previous queries. So it's a coolest application of machine learning. Third one is online customer support. Nowadays, a number of websites offer the option to chat with customer support representative while they are navigating within the site. But not every website has a live executive to answer your queries. In most of the cases, you talk to a chatbot. And these bots tend to extract information from the website and present it to the customers. Next one is online video streaming. There is no doubt that Netflix is the world's most popular online TV streaming service. Actually, there are so many ways in which Netflix uses machine learning. The Netflix algorithm constantly collects the massive amount of data about user activities like the ratings given, your browsing behavior, the date and time you watch, and a lot more. They collect this data for each subscriber they have. I have told you there are so many ways in which Netflix uses machine learning. One is content recommendation. You just check your movie recommendation in Netflix. Are they same as your friends? No. Your movie recommendations are totally based on your taste. So if you are a fan of comedy movies, you might see more comedy options, while your friends may see horror options if they are a fan of horror movies. So they use their recommendation system, which is based on machine learning algorithm. Another application is auto-generated thumbnails. When you're browsing in Netflix, you see a very interesting thumbnail for a movie you have never watched. You will definitely click on that thumbnail and check out that movie. So the images on thumbnail can make a big difference. That's why they have personalized auto-generated thumbnail images that are created according to a user's taste in movies. Netflix uses machine learning to analyze your movie choices and understand what sort of thumbnail you are most likely to click. So online video streaming is an important application of machine learning. Next is healthcare. We use machine learning to diagnose disease based on symptoms of patients and tallying them with the past data of similar kind of patients. In the recent scenario where the world is fighting COVID-19, machine learning has actually played an important role. Many companies use machine learning and artificial intelligence to detect disease and also identify high-risk patients as well. So COVID-19 research is an application in healthcare. A lot of applications are there: facial recognition, traffic prediction, self-driving cars, and I'm sure you might have heard about Tesla. So this is how machine learning is continuously making our lives easier and entertaining. I hope you understood how machine learning is helping us. Thank you.